I don't have to go to school for a week. I used to use this brow pomade by Anastasia. Really? Hey guys, so today I'm showing you my brow routine, how I get these fierce brows. Just kidding. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell to be notified when I update. Also, I hope you like my nails. They're like this orangish like coral color. I don't know, I got them from spring break and I'm so excited. I don't have to go to school for a week. I can't contain my excitement. But I also got new lights. I don't know like if they're making a difference. And also I just noticed that this light isn't even directly at me. So if it looks weird over here, I'm sorry. Just, you know, forgive me. I'm struggling right now, okay? I'm trying to hurry up and get this video done so I can even get out the door. I'm in a rush. That's why I'm wearing a t-shirt. It's just a t-shirt kind of day. Like, don't judge me, you know? Like, this is going to be a really fast video because it's super simple. I love how it looks every day when I do my eyebrows because it's simple. It looks natural, kind of. I mean, it's just easy. I don't know. I love it. So, if you want to see how to get these brows, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm basically going to be teaching you how to get your eyebrows from this to this. Okay, so you're really up close and personal, and I'm going to tell you what I used to do to my eyebrows. I used to use this brow pomade by Anastasia. I had it in soft brown, but I mean, it was really difficult for me to go in between a pomade and then I would use a brow pencil for the front. So I decided, you know what, why don't I just skip that step and get just a brow pencil that I really like. So I tried this brow pencil. It's the NYX micro brow pencil, and it has two sides. One is the like little pencil side, and it's like really thin, and then it has the little spoolie. So first what you're going to do is you're going to brush up all of your brow hairs so that you can really see them. Like, I give it the exact shape that like I want them to be. And they're a little crazy right now because I need to plug them, but you know. So then I am going to just go like this, just lightly tracing under your eyebrows. And this pencil is really pigmented, so I try to be very careful with it, not to go too crazy. And I just kind of fill in the under part of my eyebrow. So it looks something like that. And I just kind of fill in the front. And if any like markings are outside of where I want my eyebrow, then I just kind of brush it away with a spoolie and it goes away. So I'm just gonna flick through the eyebrow, being very careful. And then once I've got it like this, how I want it, then I'll just kind of go over the top and make my arch, because my arch is way down here and it's barely existent, so I literally basically draw my arch every day. So it's gonna look kind of something like that, and I'll just fill it in. And then just brush through, and it should look something like that. It's really not that hard. You just kind of have to know what shape you want if your eyebrow isn't already that shape. And so if you don't have the shape you want, it kind of does make it a little bit harder, but honestly I do this every day and it maybe takes me at the most 5 minutes. When I'm like having a bad brow day, it might take me like 5 minutes, but it doesn't take me that long at all because it's really not that hard, especially once you get used to creating that shape every day. So I'm going to do this other eyebrow and you can just watch me. And after I finish both my eyebrows, I go in with some eyebrow gel. This is a very important step because if you do not do this, your eyebrows, I promise, will start going crazy during the day. Because mine used to do this when I didn't use eyebrow gel. And you can use literally any gel you want to. I use the e.l.f. Duo gel. You can tell which side I use because like it does take some of the product off, and you have to be careful because sometimes it'll make your brows look really weird. So I just brush through lightly, make sure to coat my lashes. And voila. And then just do the other side. And then sometimes if it's like too wet, I'll just like pat it to kind of like dry it a little bit. Because this stuff will make your eyebrows hard a little bit, so you gotta be careful. So this is what your eyebrows are going to look like up close after you get done. I honestly don't like it when my eyebrows are like completely filled in. I kind of like it where there's some sparseness to kind of make it look more natural. And I mean, obviously I drew on like half of the brow, so it's not natural, but this is what it looks like. And it kind of looks a little rough on camera, but it really does look natural and good off camera, like in person. So I really love these brows, and I'm about to zoom you out and just about to zoom you out. Okay guys, so this is what my brows look like from far away, which they probably look better right now because I haven't plucked my eyebrows in a good minute, so they probably look a lot better far away. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this brow routine because it's so simple. I promise you it takes me at the most like 5 minutes, and that, like I said, that's if I'm having a bad brow day. I really enjoyed filming this video, and before you leave, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell to be notified when I update. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!